When calculating the total paid for an item, discounts and sales tax must be taken into account. So discounts are subtracted from the price and sales tax is added to the price. Looking at number 7, it says, suppose that the local sales tax rate is 7% and you purchase a book for $96. How much tax is paid and what is the book's total cost? So let's first find the tax. So 7%, we are going to convert that to a decimal. So 7% would be 0.07. And then we need to multiply that by the cost. So 7% or 0.07 of 96 is $6.72. So this is the tax. Then they want us to find the book's total cost. So we need to add the tax to the original price. So 96 plus $6.72. And we get $102.72. So this is the total.